Merlin here again. Well, on today's episode of What Will We Find Wrong with This Hovercraft as we're tearing it down to rebuild it, you can see we have one of the switches taken out because we're going to take everything out to strip it down to the bare hull. But this is why you check over everything. This is how this one switch came out. Isn't that pretty? The switch just disintegrated. So anyway, that's just one of the reasons we will be disassembling everything, totally rewiring it, and stripping it down to a total bare hull. But so far, it's still a heavy pig. We've pulled the engine out, the engine drive frame out, and as you see it right now, the last time we weighed it, it weighed 539 pounds still. So that's telling me that that hull is definitely waterlogged, and the foam will definitely be removed because a fiberglass hull by itself with no heavy drive frame in it should not be 539 pounds. So anyway, that's what we're at so far. We'll keep you posted.